Hello dear traders, welcome. I made these posts here in the forum, so I thought maybe I follow up with a little video. So yeah, that's a topic which came to my mind yesterday when I woke up at night. Okay, if you want to simplify really like any FX market, you could distinguish between two particular market modes, okay? And that's quite important, I think. So the first mode is where, the market is rangy, it's within the range, and it's focused on medium-term stop hunts, okay? And I posted this picture. Like here we had in euro dollar, where it was really easy to just trade towards the medium-term stop accumulations on the 1 hour chart, yeah? Look at that, boom, 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 okay? So this is a mode where, the market, and understand it can be in that mode for weeks as well, yeah? Where there's like some kind of uneven range, where, highs and lows get cleared, where, we have a bit of mixed money flow, etc. That's great for, swing trading, sometimes even for scalping, okay? And we have many trades documented on this channel in that mode. And the second mode is when there is like some kind of trend, which is of course squeeze based, okay, and then pushes the market out of the range in the end, or even reaches for long-term stops, LTS, yeah. And here I also have an example for 1 second for that, okay. Like here in dollar yen last year, you may remember, we had a squeeze even on the day chart, and when that happens, it means a lot because it takes priority, okay? The smart money algos will finish off those shorties which have been caught, okay? And here's the point I would like to emphasize. Well, you know what? Actually, that particular point I will describe in a second video now, namely the sensitivity towards the money flow, okay? And because in the squeeze, obviously, if shorties come in, yeah, the market will go up because it's sensitive to those shorties, because it's already within the squeeze mode and it has more dumb money tolerance for longies. Some longies are allowed to win in this situation, yeah, especially if they enter at expensive prices. That's very important, but I do a second video about it. Right now, what you have to understand is, look, in this market, and again, it has been in that mode for weeks last year, okay? It was in a squeeze mode, in a trend mode. Remember, it can leave medium-term stops on the table in such a mode. Do not expect every MTS trade to work, because the priority is to take out the old and new dumb money positions. In this case, the shorties with an uptrend, okay? Any inner range medium-term stops take second priority only. Maybe they do a pullback eventually, but they are even willing to leave some on the table, okay? That's what I wrote here, okay? In such a phase, they may leave MTS on the table for now or forever. The squeeze takes priority. Only after a dumb money switch will the algos consider the previously untaken MTS, okay? It's very important to understand those two modes, because even if the market stays in one mode for weeks, eventually it changes and then you have to adapt, okay? For example, if it was for weeks in an MTS mode and you did loads of trades, do not expect the same outcomes if now suddenly there is a squeeze and trend mode, okay? And do not insist on MTS trades, okay? That's very important. All right, now I do a second video.